The money machine can feel terrifying when headlines start shouting, inflation, rate hikes, recession, the Federal Reserve. But underneath the noise, the economy is less like a mystery box and more like a ship at sea. You are on that ship, trying to protect your money and keep your wealth snowball rolling. The ocean is rough, the weather changes fast, and if you do not understand who is steering, you can panic at exactly the wrong moment. So here is the simple map. The captain is the Federal Reserve. Its job is to help keep employment strong and prices stable. It does not control every wave, but it guides the ship through dangerous conditions. The wheel is the federal funds rate. That is the key interest rate the Fed uses to steer the economy. When the captain turns the wheel higher, borrowing gets more expensive. Mortgages, credit cards, auto loans, and business loans can all feel tighter. Consumers pull back, companies slow spending, and hiring can cool down. When the wheel turns lower, borrowing gets cheaper. People and businesses are more willing to spend, invest, and expand. The ship moves faster. But why would the captain slow the ship on purpose? Because of the storm. CPI inflation. CPI, or the Consumer Price Index, tracks the changing cost of everyday goods and services like food, rent, gas, and medical care. A little inflation is like wind in the sails. Too much becomes a hurricane. It eats your purchasing power, so the same paycheck buys less than before. When that storm gets too strong, the Fed may raise rates to slow demand. It is uncomfortable, but the goal is to keep the ship from capsizing. Now the question is not, how do I predict every wave? The question is, how do I build a survival game plan? First, protect your cash. Cash sitting idle can lose buying power during inflation. Keep emergency money safe and accessible, and compare options like high-yield savings accounts when rates are elevated. Second, roll your snowball. Wealth grows through consistency and compounding over time. Volatility can feel like an avalanche, but panic selling can break the snowball before it grows. Third, watch housing costs. Higher rates can make monthly payments heavier. Patience, a larger down payment, and realistic budgeting can help you avoid overextending. Fourth, defend your career. When money gets expensive, companies may slow hiring. Build skills, strengthen your network, update your resume, and keep an emergency fund. The economy will always have storms, but once you understand the captain, the wheel, and the weather, you stop reacting from fear.